if you want Qwen AI to generate specific contents for you, let's say for example a blog, let's say for example of 4 paragraphs in a fun tone, then what you can do is you can be specific with your prompt as well. So in this case, what you can do is, let's say, assign a role to Qwen. So let's say for example you can say, as a professional fun-filled blogger. So I actually went ahead and gave it a role, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to say write a blog. So this is the tasks. So I gave it a role and I gave it a task, as you can see right here, just like this. Write a blog about, and I'm going to give it a topic. Let's say for example, I'm going to say New Delhi, India, on how fun it is to travel there, just like this. So you can see that I actually went ahead and then give it a topic. And now I'm going to give it a limitation. Make sure you write the blog in 4 paragraphs in about 600 words. So you can see that I set out a limitation right here, just like this. And now I'm going to set a constraint. So I'm just going to say, just be sure to write positive things. So I gave it a constraint. So I gave it a role, I gave it the topic on what to do, I gave it the task, and I defined the format of it, as you can see, and I set a constraint as well. So remember these 4 things while you're actually writing the prompt. Once you do that and hit the send button right here, then it will actually go ahead and take that prompt and will generate out a blog for you right here, just like this. So New Delhi, the bustling capital city in India, is a destination that effortlessly blends history, culture, and modernity into one exhilarating experience. From its majestic monuments to its lively bazaars, the city promises an adventure like no other. So you can see that I am getting to the second paragraph right here, just like this, and it is staying under what we have right here. So you can see that I got around 3 paragraphs now right here, just like this, and it'll go ahead and end it out on the 4th. So you can see that it stick to 600 words right here, just like this, and then, as I said, 4 paragraphs. You can see that it went ahead and took that particular topic and completed my blog right here. And that is how you can go ahead and give Qwen AI specific prompts for specific results like this as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.